Mouse Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Key Tunnel Lite VPN in all countries and on all networks for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And if you get any problem, the comment section is open. So let us start up our tutorial. Don't forget to like the video. So open your Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store, you're going to go where you search from, and then search Key Tunnel Lite. Key Tunnel Lite. This is the application I'm talking about. Download this application, and then after downloading it, install, and then after installing, open. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and then the community guidelines. Now, this application will request you some permissions, most of the notification permissions. We request you to allow the notification permissions before continuing to use this application. The next step, you're going to come and then join the Telegram channel to keep up with all important updates. Okay. Now, this is the first thing you're going to do. You're going to firstly come where you see the updates, and then try to check for updates. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friend. Now, this is the next step. You're going to come where you see the auto select server, and then you're going to choose the auto select. Now you're going to do this next. We're going to come right here where you see Wi-Fi and data 1, and then you're going to come from this to this. But if you are in Uganda, you can be using those. Now you're going to scroll down and look for your country's name, or to ease the process, you're going to come. If your country supports UDP, type in UDP. And then I recommend viewers to keep using this one. By choosing that one, we are all going to come right here. Now you're going to accept the connection request, and then it will connect as we are going to be seeing. Now if it fails to connect, let me show you. Let me first connect it. Let me choose any server from any country, and I show you what I want to. Now, what if it fails to connect? What are we going to do? This is what we're going to do if it fails to connect. First, you're going to clear the app data. Secondly, you're going to clear the cake or the cache. Thirdly, it depends on the pronunciation. Thirdly, you can also try to reconnect, as I've been doing. And then fourth, you can remove this application from the recents. The last step is the most crucial step. If you have been using this application for a longer period of time, or if you have already been having this application in your phone, you can try to check up the new update. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Tech, and I sign out.